The Edo State governor-elect wey dey go by the name Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress and im deputy wey be Dennis Edahosa, they were seen kneeling before the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu during a visit to Aso Rock on Thursday wey be the 26th day of September for inside this year 2024. The moment my good people dey capture am on video, e dey show when the duo dey express their appreciation to the president for his support during their successful campaign. This visit dey happen just days after the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC dey officially declare Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress the winner of the Edo State governorship election, and Oga Monday Okpebholo secure 291,667 votes in use am take defeat his closest rival wey be Asuwen Ighodalo of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) wey gain 247,274 votes. The Labour Party, their candidate wey carry third wey be Olumide Akpata, secure 22,761 votes. Now make you know as if na bad omen abi na which level. We know say the last general elections wey happen for inside the year 2023, Labour Party dey carry third. Now this governorship election, Labour Party still carry third, and na dem still dey hala say they go challenge results with their third position. We never hear any noise, we never hear any cho from the second runners wey be the People's Democratic Party. Well, back to the koko of the hour, my good people. As the governor-elect wey be Oga Monday Okpebholo and im deputy go see the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, accompanied by other APC top members, Okpebholo and Edahosa, they come dey express their profound gratitude for the confidence reposed in them by both the party and the President wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Oga Monday Okpebholo come dey pledge to live up to the expectations of Edo State people, and to accomplish that one, so he go deliver on his promises and he go work towards the development of Edo State. Then the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he can drop in remark. For inside the remark, he can congratulate the newly elected leaders and he can urge them to prioritize the welfare of Edo State people. He can encourage them to focus on unity, focus on development, and focus on good governance as they prepare to take over the reign of power inside the state. Now, my good people, the video of the kneeling gesture, it don't spark conversations for inside social media. Some country people now can they interpret them as a sign of humility, while others now they raise concern about the implications of such acts in Nigeria's politics. Like this now, Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress is set to succeed Governor Godwin Obaseki, wey in tenure go end for inside the month of November for inside this year 2024. Men wey sabi now come dey yarn say this one wey APC don get grant for inside Edo State. When 2027 general elections reach, e no get anyhow wey they no go use that position in their favor. And that, my good people, na legit, because the All Progressive Congress wey be APC, they dey happy say they don add one more state join the number of states wey they don conquer. When election time don reach, e no get anyhow wey the governor no go press button make Edo State people deliver for empathy candidate wey be the president. And some countrymen come still dey yarn say with the way Adams Oshiomhole take dey join body with Monday Okpebholo, we are hoping that this is not godfatherism wey wan take place. Make e no be as if na Oga Monday Okpebholo na dey see as governor, but for backyard na Adams Oshiomhole na go dey rule, na go dey drop the command. All those kind of levels that they anxious about. But on the other hand, the Edo State governor-elect wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo on Thursday wey be the 26th day of September for inside this year 2024, come dey yarn say in election as governor of the state, e dey signal a new dawn for the state. Now we need to ask whether na for the good abi na for the bad, because na almost the same thing wey President Bola Ahmed Tinubu bin promise the general public when in the campaign to be president. Na so in the talk say Nigeria go change, this and that go happen. But we forget to ask whether these changes wey in wan bring, whether na the one wey go make us smile abi na the one wey go make us laugh. Since Bola Ahmed Tinubu enter seat, na so things just dey change from bad to worse. But back to the koko of the hour, Oga Monday Okpebholo in dey make all this in remarks so while briefing the State House correspondents after presenting his certificate of return to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the presidential villa. Oga Monday Okpebholo come dey promise to work with the opposition if dem get any good ideas. According to how im take yarn am, im say im dey think say Edo people dey don speak their mind with their votes. For him im dey come as a servant to serve the Edo State people. That is what is required of him, and this na the exact thing wey im go do. So very soon they go see a lot of development coming to Edo State, and im say they go employ teachers and they go integrate their schools. Say a lot go dey happen over time. And for those people wey lose the election, im say if na him, im go bear im loss and im go congratulate the winner. So im dey expect them to come congratulate am as im don win too. Then Senator Adams Oshiomhole wey follow the governor-elect wey be Monday Okpebholo, im come dey yarn say na God na make Senator Monday Okpebholo victory dey possible. And according to Senator Adams Oshiomhole, im say God na get power o. Say man can make all their efforts, but if God chooses not to crown it, that effort e go just be in vain. Im say im dey very much excited. Say they don reclaim a new state almost in the same manner wey dem take reclaim am from the People's Democratic Party for inside the year 2007 before Godwin Obaseki come take am away from them. He say enjoy, in fact, na say Edo State people they go now get a governor wey they go fit hug, a governor wey they go fit touch, a governor wey they go fit feel, and a governor wey go open doors. And he say incidentally, Monday Okpebholo English name means rescuer, and so God now don bring am to come rescue the Edo State people, to come restore integrity, to come rebuild their schools, to come employ teachers so that parents no go need to dey contribute money to dey pay teachers again. Edo State people now no go fit wait to see a new approach to governance, government of the people, by the people and for the people. This my good people dey come from Oga Adams Oshiomhole, and he come dey appeal to those people wey lost the governorship contest, so make dem accept it in good faith. And according to how he take yarn that one, he say you can't win until the time that God has appointed. So in advice to them, he say make they just accept the result and make them for move on. This my good people dey come from Oga Adams Oshiomhole, and this na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another legit information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.